Good morning and all. It's a nice, kind of cloudy day here. And the bed I slept in was kind of rough, but it's fine. We're just getting ready to start the day, and we're gonna go grab some breakfast, get a move on, check out and whatnot, and be on our way to Pisa to take some pictures, kind of walk around and hang out and whatnot, grab some lunch. And we're gonna end our day back in Florence at our original hotel. Today's gonna be a pretty slow day, nothing too crazy, but I'm just not looking forward to the train ride again. I'm kind of tired of taking trains, but at the same time they're kind of cool, just because I get to see a different side of Italy that I guess you don't see too often in these romanticized like Instagram posts and whatnot. So that's what makes it really cool. But aside from that, I'm excited to start the day, get some breakfast and a macchiato in me, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Once again, looking for a cafe. This is really cool. Hiking up this very early in the morning. I love all this rock formation, looks really cool. Beautiful, man. That's pretty cool. We're almost to the cafe, I believe. We have some breakfast, the macchiato, all of that good stuff. It's like a little crow's nest or something. That's pretty cool. Wow.
Aquí.
Something light before we head over to Pisa. Tyler's eating his little granola. There are pigeons overtaking the restaurant right now. They're just eating everything off the table. It's kind of funny, you know what I mean? But like, it's also kind of gross when they're pooping on the table. But it is what it is. All right, massive road traffic jam back there. We're on the way to go look for a little knick-knack store to buy some gifts to take back home. I think we found it over here. Tyler and Kunal back there. Yeah, man. Just had a somewhat decent breakfast at the Pigeon Cafe, as I like to call it now. But honestly, this is what I want to be doing right now. Just taking a good, nice nap. I didn't flush, man. We're on the train to La Spezia, and we got a 5-minute transfer to make it to the next train that will take us to Pisa. So we don't know what dock we're supposed to go to. We'll figure it out when we get there. But we're gonna have to scramble, and by scramble I mean scramble like eggs.
Yeah, we get folded like an omelet.
Before you get folded like an omelet. For all you Patekless people out there. We are on the way to Pisa. we're gonna go have some fun there, and Tyler's excited. All of that good stuff. But yeah, so yeah, we got about an hour train ride till we get to Pisa. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You know, excited to see the Leaning Tower and take the stereotypical picture. We have made it to Pisa. Now we are on the way to look for the ever so famous tower that just so happens to be leaning here. Yeah, I think we're just gonna follow some people and see where they're going. But point is, we're gonna go snap a picture, then hop back on the train and head back to Florence, I believe. Looks like a lot of people are getting tickets here, so I can't park here and whatnot. We've already seen 2 people get angry and start yelling at somebody, so I'm assuming that's what's happening. As of now, we're just following the crowd. I'm pretty certain that they're all going to see the tower. It appears to be a little bit askew. Just a bit askew. Just a tad. Just a tad bit. But we can't see it.
Wow,
now.
that really does lean like quite a lot.
Yeah. Have you never seen it, Tyler?
I've seen pictures of it.
There it is, right over there.
That's so cool.
I am excited to see it. I've never seen this IRL.
What if today's the day?
Today's the day that it's gonna fall.
Wouldn't that be
It's because we have so much motion. That's why. That's really cool. Oh my goodness! And Einstein.
What?
The shirts. I'm literally crying right now. There it is, in all of its glory. The once stable tower, or at least until it falls down. That's pretty cool.
Be higher. Higher. Okay.
Tyler's attempting to do a handstand and be parallel to the Tower of Pisa. Recording him here.
Very close. Okay.
Very, very close, Tyler. We took our pictures. And now we are on the way. Find something to do, because I think we're pretty much done here. Tyler got his cool handstand pictures. There he is. And he got his whole handstand pictures. They look really awesome. We might go catch our train out to head over to Florence so we can go to a leather market. We're trying gelato in every city we go, so this is in Pisa. This is a cookie one. It's not bad. Not bad. All right, we are off to the train station to see if we can catch an early train back to Florence. So, we were just discussing about food and whatnot, and so far, in my opinion, all of the food in Italy, well, most of Europe, like France and Italy and whatnot, has been very good, consistently good. Like, I haven't had a bad dish here. Maybe a bad macchiato and stuff like that, but I haven't had a bad dish. We were comparing it to the food that we've ate in Japan, and in Japan we've had exceptionally good food, but then also tremendously bad food. One example would be like Ramen and the Golden Guy out in I think it was Shibuya or Shinjuku, I'm not sure. That place was so good. We ate and we sat still. Well, not sat, so we just stayed quiet the entire time eating. As soon as we left the restaurant, we were just quiet because we were just like in awe. We were like, fuck, like that food was so good. But then we went to this other ramen bar like down the street from our hotel. We ate there and it wasn't that good, which is sad because, you know, like, yeah, you know, like it's one of those things where it's like, oh yeah, you know, place Japan, it's obviously, it's automatically going to be good, but it's not, you know, there's bad food everywhere in the world. And I think we just had an off day with that and the food was bad.
That was our last one.
Yeah,
too.
that was the last bowl of ramen we had. Yeah.
Yeah.
However, here, like in Monaco, we went to this little like mom and pop shop, and that place was really good. It was run by like the daughters and the parents and stuff like that, and that place was really good. Point is, all of the food that I've eaten here in Italy and in France has been consistently good. All right, so we think we made it on the right train. We're not entirely sure, but we kind of just ran towards this one because it was coming, and hopefully this takes us to where we need to go. But at the same time, oh well, we'll find out.
It's fine. It's an adventure. Sorry.
All right, we made it back to Florence, our home base, our base of operations. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really tired.
Yeah.
At this point, I kind of want to just chill for a little bit, but we cannot because we need to go to the leather markets.
Leather store.
The leather store.
Oh wait, we're going to.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. Go. Oop, shit. Going around people. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping. Go to the leather market, and there you go.
There you go.
So we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. Go to the leather market. Maybe grab some dinner. I'm not too sure. Do you still want to check out the cheese place?
I say we check it out.
All right. So we're gonna check out the. We're gonna check out the cheese place. Hopefully that can take us. But aside from that, we're gonna go back to our hotel, drop our stuff off, sit down for a minute, and we'll just take it from there. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Yes. He loves this. His name is Hiro. Hiro. Oh, what a good boy. Oh yes.
Yeah.
Good boy. This is the best boy right here.
This is the guy. Oh. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, what a good boy. Yeah, it does look pretty dumb. Anyway, yeah, the leather places that we've been going to in all the markets and all that probably aren't actually leather from Italy. It's like from China, and it's really shitty quality. So we are trying to go to these real ones that actually have like legit Italian leather. Also makes sense that it's gonna be more expensive, but that's kind of just how it goes. So it's kind of far away, but we're gonna go look at that because that'd be cool. And Felipe's still recording me. Do a wheeling.
There's 3 cameras on you right now, Tyler.
Dude, I feel like in a press conference or something. I'm here to announce that I am officially going to the Lakers.
Yes, Tyler's going to the Lakers, but we are on the hunt for some better quality leather today. This is some real nice leather quality right here. Stuff looks really cool too, man. Look at that. This is so sick.
Yeah, the buckle.
Kunal was able to pick his own belt buckle for his belt that he's making. That's awesome. So, Kunal and Tyler got some spoils at the leather market. Oh, look at that. Shit, man, that's different.
This is sparkling water.
He got some cool shoes. Tyler got some sparkling water. He's crying.
So sad.
It's all good. We are on the way to another leather market. I unfortunately did not buy anything from this one because I'm a little too fat, but it is what it is. It's more of an inspiration to hit the gym. So we're at the Florence School of Leather. Apparently there's a store here where you can buy stuff that the students make, which is pretty cool.
We're at the Florence store. Or Florence School of Leather.
So this is the leather school of Florence, and the stuff that they've made in there is insane. The quality feels so nice. We're definitely going to return on Monday to see if we can shop calmly and not be pressured and stuff, because I really want a jacket from in there. God damn, the suede jacket's super nice. It's red. And it's warm.
The blood of angry men.
The blood of angry men. We're at a restaurant, gonna grab some dinner, then head over to a bar and grab a drink and see where the night takes us.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
My property.
Oh my god, carbonara.
The biggest thing is once.
Yeah, that place was, whew, this is delicious, man. It was so good. Probably one of the best carbonara I've had this entire trip. All right, guys.
All right, fellas.
Cheers. All right, left we go. We're on our way to get some gelato. We just had a drink at this Irish pub here. Good Peroni, can't go wrong. It's a patrician's choice, you know what I mean? So now we're on our way to get some gelato. Vivoli, we've been here at least 3 times already. It's just so good. You just can't go wrong with the affogato. It's just so good. Oh my god, I don't even know what I got. I just pointed at stuff.
I was trying my best.
I was trying my best, yeah,
I
too.
had some yesterday and it was so good.
Mm-hmm.
Or not yet.
Oh my god. It's great. I'll catch up right now, no worries. It's all good. It fell. It didn't hold, unfortunately. Yeah, that's about it for tonight, guys. I hope you liked what you saw. It was a really fun day today. Can't wait to see what happens tomorrow with this chummy guy right here. Whoa. And I think we're gonna go wine tasting. We are gonna go wine tasting and have a nice late start to the day and sleep in, because that's what we haven't been doing. So yeah, catch you guys tomorrow.